All right, I'm with Artem from Amplemarket. We're here at HumanX, and one of the things I came in here looking for was, are there any good use cases of how marketers can use AI? Now, I know Artem's in product, but he created something that I think is so unique and so many marketers can learn from. It captivated me, so I'd love for you to share with the folks what you actually did and how we can start thinking about using AI.
Yeah, so coming into the conference, I was going to have lots of conversations. Specifically, we build an end-to-end marketing, like a sales platform, right? And these days, some people are like, oh, I could just build this part of the platform, just build this other platform. I don't need the all-in-one solution. So to get ahead of that, I built a little app where you can kind of swipe, like, would you build this feature? Would you buy this feature? Would you build this feature or buy this feature? And it kind of exposes that, yeah, you can probably get your AI to write copy for you. You can probably get your AI to tell you how this deal is going, but it's a lot more difficult to rebuild a business database. Anyway, the point is, like, I wanted to open up the conversation and get people talking like, yeah, you're right, that is a hard problem. You're right, we're not gonna be able to vibe code that piece. And that opens up the conversation of like, oh, so maybe we do need a real vendor for that. So that's just another example of using some of these vibe coding tools for throwaway things that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise. Like, you would never pay an engineer to do that.
And from my perspective, what he's done is he's gamified the problem that they actually solve. And I think one of the biggest mistakes we make here at trade shows is we lead with our solution. But I always like to say you can't lead with the solution until there's agreed upon problem. So what you did and get them thinking about, should I build or buy that, naturally leads to, well, this is what we do at Amplemarket. So Artem, I think that was a fantastic example, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you sharing that.